Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
There are 6 gifts that you should never receive, as they may leave you poor. You've probably heard about gifts that can cause a breakup or bring bad luck. It is known that certain things should never be given because they are believed to bring terrible luck according to different traditions from various countries. Whether it's gifts for a bride and groom, birthdays, or any other occasion, you may be skeptical about such beliefs. However, it's better not to take risks and avoid being blamed for any misfortunes. So take note and find out what you should never give or receive as a gift.
Before we proceed with the video, I would like to remind you that if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe for free and activate the notification bell so you won't miss our new videos. Now, let's discuss the items you should avoid giving. Number 1. Sharp objects. Regardless of the situation, it is advised not to give any sharp objects. According to Facebook, it is considered the worst thing you can give because it not only brings bad luck but also severs the connection between the giver and the receiver. Some examples of such objects include knives, which should never be given to anyone as they bring bad luck and arguments, especially in a relationship. Scissors should also be avoided, as they attract negative energy. Number 2. A gift that you had been given. Giving a gift that was given to you is never a good idea, especially if you are giving it to a new partner. According to Feng Shui, when you re-gift, you essentially give away your friendship and your luck with the person who originally gave you the gift. Number 3. Handkerchiefs. Scarves and handkerchiefs are considered bad omens, as they are believed to attract misfortune. In the case of giving your partner a scarf, it could potentially invite infidelity into your relationship. Number 4. Ornaments with animal skeletons. Under no circumstances should you give such ornaments, as they are believed to attract negative vibes and cause energy stagnation. Number 5. Clocks. Clocks can be seen as a common gift, but according to superstitions, the Chinese avoid buying wall clocks and bracelets because they symbolize the passing of time, implying that the end of the relationship might be near. It is considered a bad omen for lovers, suggesting a limited lifespan. Number 6. Bells. Bells, whether vocal or in the form of rattlesnakes, can bring joy, but they can also be associated with bad luck. According to Celtic culture, ringing a bell frightens evil spirits and brings bad luck. To cleanse your house of bad energy, you can burn incense in a room and let the smoke spread throughout the house. While it is not necessary to pray during the cleaning process, if you feel inclined to do so, make sure your prayers are positive and grateful rather than demanding. Receiving a gift is always an exciting experience, as it signifies affection and good intentions from the giver. However, as we've seen in this video, sometimes a gift can bring unfavorable news, a breakup, or even financial difficulties. Before we continue, I would like to know your thoughts. Do you believe that certain objects attract poverty and bad luck? Please share your answer in the comments section of this video. Thank you for your support of our channel. Please help us share this information so that it reaches those who need it. Stay well.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.